This tutorial is on how to get option chain data of stocks or indices. Go to your web browser and enter NSE India in search box, or you can click on the link given in the description of this video. Click on the first link, www.nseindia.com. This is the homepage of nseindia.com. Go to Market Data tab. Click on the option chain link. Here you can select from different indices. Select the stock as per your need. Select the expiry date here. Click on Go. Here is the option chain data of the stock you selected. You can also download this data in CSV format by clicking on Download here. This is your CSV file. You can use it for further analysis using Excel. If you are interested in technical analysis, price action, then do visit this blog for similar content. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe the channel for more such videos and press bell icon to receive notifications.